Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills and a gentle river, there lived a wise Zen master. He was known far and wide for his profound wisdom, and people from distant lands traveled to seek his counsel. Today, I want to share with you the story of the Zen Master and the 5 things he believed we should always keep private. These lessons are simple yet incredibly powerful, and they can truly transform our lives. 1. Your goals and dreams. The Zen Master taught, your dreams are like delicate seeds. Nurture them in the silence of your heart. You see, dreams are precious, like the first rays of dawn. Keep them close, whisper them to the stars, and they will flourish in the depths of your soul. Let them grow strong before you share them with the world. 2. Your good deeds. The Zen Master's eyes sparkled as he shared his second secret. Let your kindness be a silent river that flows from your heart. Acts of kindness should not seek applause. When you help others, do it from the pure depths of your soul, as quietly as a falling leaf. Your kindness will echo through the universe. 3. Your struggles and challenges. In your darkest hours, the Zen Master said, keep your struggles to yourself or share them with those who truly care. Life can be like a stormy sea, and we all have our battles. Some battles are best fought in silence, away from the judging eyes of the world. But do not forget to lean on your friends when the tempest is too fierce, for they are there to help you weather the storm. 4. Your achievements and success. Success, the Zen Master mused, is not a trumpet, but a gentle breeze. When you achieve your dreams, there is no need to shout it from the mountaintops. Instead, let your actions speak for you. Be humble, and let your success quietly inspire those around you. 5. Your true self. The Zen Master's final lesson was the most profound. Your true self is a treasure hidden within. Discover it, embrace it, and then share it with the world. Often, we wear masks to fit in, but the Zen Master encouraged us to be our authentic selves. The more you embrace your true self, the more you can share your unique light with the world. So, let us reflect on the wisdom of the Zen Master. Your goals and dreams, nurture them in the silence of your heart. Your good deeds, let your kindness flow quietly from your soul. Your struggles and challenges, keep them to yourself or share with those who truly care. Your achievements and success, let your actions speak humbly. Your true self, embrace it and share your authenticity. In conclusion, remember these 5 secrets and allow them to guide you on your journey through life. Keep these things close to your heart, like precious treasures, and you will discover a path to a more meaningful and fulfilling life. As the Zen Master wisely said, in the quiet of your heart, you'll find that which truly matters.